Alright, pulling into, I don't even know actually, Shea in the 51 area. We're behind Los Playas Bar. Is it Playas or Playas? Who knows? Oh, no, it's the Playa Bar. Is it the Playa? The Playa? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Changing a flat tire for Lexus ES. There we go. There it is. Alright, let's see what we can see. Make sure they have their key, their spare is good, all that jazz. Hello. So I just wanted to check the spare and then check to see if we needed a wheel key, if you have one. Don't think you do. Let's see. No, I think they're all regular ones, luckily. Okay. Let's check the spare. Okay. It feels a little low. But we might be able just to put it on and then you can go to like a gas station or something real quick. Just to fill it up. Yeah, I don't have air on this truck, unfortunately.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Alright, let me get all the jack and all that out. Is this unlocked? Felt like it was at first, but don't think it is. That's unfortunate. What the hell? Okay. That was dumb. Alright. Yeah, I have air on this truck, obviously, because it's air brakes, but my attachment at the back of the truck does not work. Oh, there it is. It's like, where is my stuff? Hopefully this is charged. I haven't used it in a while. Sure is. Love that. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Where does Toyota want us to jack this thing up from? Let's see. Right about there. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, 21 I'm guessing, which is the one I don't have. Not that one. Let's see. there we go. Okay. That tire's cooked. So it looks like you have a pretty severe either alignment issue or this tire just failed. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it might be my alignment.
Okay.
But thank you.
Yeah, I just want to let you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, because that's like super gnarly having the whole inside tread gone, and this is almost like new.
And well, thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, just so you know, I just, you know, it'll happen again pretty quickly if you don't sort it, obviously. Full size spare, we love it. I need to go higher. 100%. One more. Let's see. Good. Hello? I was gonna say it was sitting on the hub before. It scared me for a second. I thought it was a different hub bore. Always start them by hand. The last thing we want to do is cross thread anything. And that Milwaukee will do it without even noticing. Hello. Tight, but don't want to get too crazy. Alright. Oh yeah, it's front wheel drive. Okay. That'll do it. While I double check the torque once we get it on the ground with the hand wrench. Let's see. And it's not in there. You don't know where the tire iron is, do you? This one? They're tight, I just wanted to double check it with that, but yeah, if you don't have it. Oh wait, is that it right there? Did it fall back there? I think it did. Well, glad we found that. Now you know you have it at least too. Yeah. That looks too small, but let's see. That's good. Tight. 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 Okay. Yeah, so I don't think it's super low, but it's definitely just a little bit.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you just might want to get it checked, but other than that, it's perfectly fine.
Awesome.
Absolutely. You doing cash or card? Okay, let me get all this put away and then we'll do that. Let's see, let's put this back under there. Can you do me a huge favor and just hold that so I can throw this back under there? Thank you. Just don't want to get your carpet dirty or anything.
I appreciate it.
Let's see. All right. And then your center lock's over there for when they put the other one back.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Let me get this put away, we'll get you paid up and we'll get out of here. Absolutely. All right. And now we get to go unload 3 what sounds like to be interesting cars from a container. Off a semi, I'm guessing. So let's see. Pick up once we get over there. Whew. Oh my gosh, my stupid podcast was playing the whole time. That's dumb. All right. Here in North Scottsdale. Cross streets aren't important for this one, but we're up here. We'll just say north of the 101. And we're gonna unload some cars from a container. That's on a truck, obviously. Let's see.
Anytime is good for you guys. I'm good.
How are you, sir?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Perfect. Very good. Yeah, we're over. Thank you.
Got 3 Fiats, it looks like.
3 little
Okay.
Fiats.
All right. You
Sounds
too.
good.
Thank you.
Do they all run and drive?
No.
Okay, no worries. We can winch them
We
out.
can't start them yet, so we're just going to be rolling on and off.
Sounds good. All right. If you can get my stinger like 8 to 12 inches away from here, that'll be best. All right. Just let me know. Yeah, they're not super heavy, so we don't got to be super close, just close enough. Yeah, that's fine.
The cars are what, 800 pounds?
If that, probably, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We should be able to pick them up by hand.
Right. Just get them close to the edge, we can just walk them down. All right, let's see how high we got to go. Let's see.
Yeah.
About here?
Yeah, hold up.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, maybe. Yeah, come up here.
Oh, we gotta-
Go ahead, yeah. Just be careful.
Well, here we go.
Is that too big of a drop, you think?
Yeah, it's too big, yeah.
Well, I don't know.
That is.
They're pretty high.
Yeah, it's not. It's,
Maybe 2 more inches, no?
can you come up anymore at all?
I can't go up anymore. No, I mean, the bed, I can go closer.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's not that big.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want to do video from
Yeah.
All right. Do they have brakes?
Yeah, we have a parking brake.
Well, wait a minute. Then do you want to jump in and I can jump up there and push you off? That way you can man the brakes when it comes down?
Sure.
Okay, let me get up there. I just don't want it to get away from us. I know it only weighs 1,000 pounds, but you never know.
Yeah.
Redundancy is the name of my game. Yeah, no worries. Here, I got the door for you. Gotcha. Oop. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, hold it there. I just want to double check that gap. Yeah, I think we'll be okay.
That's pretty steep, don't you think?
We can shim the stinger with some wood to make it up a little bit.
I think it's gonna hit the bottom. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. Let me reconfigure this real quick.
I wouldn't risk it at all.
I wouldn't either. Watch yourself. I gotta go up there for me. I gotta move the bed. Yeah. I just gotta pull it away a little bit so I don't land it back on the truck. All right, let me grab some. Used to have 4x4s, but I think all I have now is 2x4s. Just grab them all, why not? Do 2 on each side. All right. Let's see. We'll just do 2 on each side. Should be at least make up that difference a little better.
So what's the one that's flatbed? Are you gonna
Strap them down and then we'll pull forward and roll them down. Yeah. Or if the brakes hold well enough, I can just have you sit in it. Totally up to you. I'll strap it down probably though.
no idea about the brakes.
Okay. How's that?
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's way better. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Good? All right. Let me jump up there. All right. Oy. Yeah, be ready on the parking brake or whatever you're confident in. Coming down. Oop. There we go. Nice and easy. Rear end coming down now. Brake. All right. So let's see. Try to see how I want to hook it up because it's got white walls, which we don't want to get dirty.
No,
Brake's good, right?
what do you think? Just cable?
Well, the cable doesn't keep it from going forward is my thing. I was going to put a basket on it, but
I see.
yeah, I'm just trying to think of like the most simple way.
So forward, I mean, I can. You think just holding the brakes gonna keep it from going?
Let me
forward?
feel the brake pedal real quick.
Is back when you start lowering.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Going forward should. I don't
Yeah,
know.
if you sit in and hold the brake, it shouldn't go forward with too much velocity. It's when, like you were saying, yeah. Let me hook it up to the winch, and then we can just have you sit in it while I pull forward.
Yeah.
All right. Let me grab. Where is it at? Hopefully I can find it in here. I don't know where that strap is. Damn it. Looking for one strap. There we go. Oh, is it stuck on? Stupid. Okay. Let me get that. Let me run the winch in. Probably the front, like, cross member or lower control arm, whichever we got. Let's see.
Yeah, it's not gonna take much
No.
to hold this little guy.
Yeah, we'll just go right across the front leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go from the center, so it'll be a little more stable. Come on. Okay.
Fuck, it's unfucking sensational. Look how cool. This wood is so
Alright. These things are about as dorky as it gets, but that's alright. Alright.
clang, clang, clang. Look at that. What? Oh, don't worry about it.
Can you do me a favor and just flip that so it doesn't...
You want to put that in there?
Yeah, just flip it so it's not... There you go. Perfect. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, just hold your foot on the brake, leave the parking brake on. Going forward. I'm gonna move the bed forward, just be careful. I don't want to throw him off. I just want to make I just want to make sure you heard me or you want to jump off. Yeah, whatever. Okay. The bed doesn't move too fast, but if you're not expecting it. Does it feel like it's holding okay? Okay. Just want to make sure. All right. Going up with this. Well, let's see. Let me make sure I don't take your mud flaps off here.
You stay pretty busy, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, what is it?
Kind of recession proof.
Right.
And you guys get busy when there's repos.
Yeah, right. We don't do repos luckily, but yeah, those guys definitely do. All right, I'm gonna go forward real slow. I am not the repo man. Might be dressed like one, but I'm not one. Okay, I go real slow. These guys seem real nervous about these things for whatever reason. All right, that's probably far enough. Stopping easily. Ready? Put on the brake, parking brake still on? All right. Just checking. All right, going down. Real slow like. Are these all 64s? 60, okay.
3 different years.
Are they like newer reproduction or are they?
No, these are restored.
Oh, that's awesome.
They just came from Italy.
Oh, nice. All right. Do you want me to unhook it and then you could just roll it down, or you want me to winch you down? Huh?
Unhook me.
Okay.
If you see no tension, unhook me.
Yeah, it's. Let me undo it more. I'll just pull it out of there real quick. Make sure the rear end's not going to drag either. I think we're pretty good. Yeah, no, you got miles, but let me get this off. All right. All right, sir, all you, straight back, nice and slow. Rear end's coming up now. Good. And front end. Miles, you're good. All right. Do we want to push it all the way inside?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Okay. All right.
Well, take a picture from the front. How about that?
Right.
How about that?
Very nice. Not my flavor, but I appreciate it. All right, now we're set up for the next one. Don't come over and talk to me, please. I don't care about these things, and he seems real excited about them. They're cool, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. They're just not me. That's all right though. All right. Ready? Never know. Always got to make sure everybody's on the same page. This guy's standing in front of the truck now. Someone going to tell him to get out of the way? Both of them? He's still standing behind the truck. Still standing behind the truck. Still standing behind the truck. People just don't pay attention. He's fucking around on the phone too. Yes, we'll just see how close we are because no one was spotting me. Let's see. I need to go back a little more. Always feels like I'm right on top of stuff, but never want to assume. All right, that's fine. Let me move that bottom piece over.
Yeah.
I don't know why that thinner one got under there.
Yeah.
You just kind of go up there.
Okay. Because now look, man, you get a sun.
All right. Let's see if I can clear those hooks. Nope. We'll go right up to them. That's fine. Let me not rest on them though, so when the weight comes on them. Yeah, we're good. All right. Yep. Okay. I just don't want it to get away from you.
Yeah, I can just jump in and just grab it.
Okay. Just be careful. Actually, you know what? Hold on, look, because I got to get up there anyway to hook it up.
So it'll be a hard bumper up there.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think it's going to be fine.
I know. I just always, like I said, redundancy is the name of my game. Ready?
Yep.
A little bit more. Oh, no, you know what? That's probably fine right there. I forget how far this thing comes out. Let's see.
Rare one.
What is all this one?
Looks just like the last one we just pulled out. I don't know.
Little temporary.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah.
We need to go forward like 2 inches. All right.
But Customs took all the wood blocks out, so they were just on the straps. But they didn't. They moved. They moved about
Ooh.
8 inches forward and back. Okay.
All right.
Customs took the blocks out probably because they weren't steaming it.
Foot on the brake, parking brake.
Customs, man. The straps were all just flopping. Like the cars were literally just sitting there. So we're lucky. I mean, you think how much a ship costs. And then when they put them up off the ship.
Alrighty. Hold the brake, leave the parking brake on. And one more after this. And stop. Trying to find the tire size. Oh, 125, 12. Oh my gosh. Bike tires, those things.
I know.
That's awesome.
They're not even balanced, you know, they're just stuck on there.
Right. Going down. Yeah, same as the other one. The winch doesn't have any tension on it. So let me just unhook it real quick. Straight back, nice and slow. Rear's coming down. Front's good to go.
I got a good scene. Have you coming down like that, coming right up to me. You just gotta get Steve out of the picture.
AI.
Yeah. Turn him into a Cinquecento. Can we turn him into a Cinquecento with AI? Put some wheels on you, Steve.
Oh, okay. And then there was one.
The people's car in Italy.
Right. Yeah.
Germans had the VW Bug,
Oh,
and the Italians did this.
very good.
The car came with like an instruction manual how to fix it,
Yeah.
and like a toolkit.
Yeah. It's like, it was like a roll-up bag, right? The toolkit? Yeah. Yeah, because the streets in like old Italy are only so wide because they're made for horse and carriage, right? That's why they made these tiny things so they can still fit. All right.
They're all, these have been completely redone.
Oh yeah. See, I know stuff. He didn't think I knew anything, but you see how surprised he was? For an older guy like that was like, I astounded him. Kinda kidding. I'm no Fiat expert or nothing, but I know stuff. He's just filming, he's not telling me how much room I got. So I guess we'll just stop there. Hey. Good enough.
Let me call you back because I'm taking this video.
That was the wood. I thought I was scraping the truck. I was like, I didn't think I was that close. Woo.
That's it?
All right. Let me jump up there real quick.
Okay.
All right. Slow down just a touch. There we go. Front's coming down. Good. And rear's good. Woo. And good. All right. They all look like the same exact car to me, but what do I know? I'll tell you what I know. Fuck all. Come on. All right. Is the second one more rare because the doors open normally?
These are the older ones because the doors are suicide.
Oh, okay.
But that one was only made like 500 models in 1965.
Oh, very good. Nice.
These are all three, like the rarest stuff.
Very good. All right, it moved a little bit when we came up on the stop, so just hold the brake a little bit. All right. All right, I'm gonna put the wood away real quick too so I don't forget it. Foot on the brake, parking brake set. Yeah. All right, last one. Ready? Going down. Could jump these things. So much suspension in the front. All right, gonna unhook the winch. Straight back, nice and slow. Easy. That'll do it. All right. Little goober mobiles. Oh, that's this call. All done. 3 cars that weigh less than what a new car weighs. See you on the next one.